Hello friends, welcome back to Fix It With Beer. Easiest little project in the world today. Number one son's got the 2021 Bronco Sport, and you may notice that you have a little red reflector action right here. You may also notice not so much reflector action happening right here. Tried to get a good story as to what happened with this, but there seems to be some resistance to tell me the full story, but I know that it happened during the recent snowstorm. So anyway, got on the old South American River website and ordered one of these up. I think it was a whole $12, so it wasn't a super expensive adventure. But I'll tell you real quick, the easy way to do this, because I already practiced it, because I wanted to make sure I did it right for you guys. If you take your little pick or a little flat-headed screwdriver and you just kind of push it in that side right there and then pull out, it'll pop right out. Just got a couple, oh actually I broke the clip on that. I did it so many times I broke the clip that time, but it just pops right out. That was the third time I did it, and I did it too hard, I guess. Then you'll notice you got a couple of these little guys right here. They're gonna fit in the little holes right there so that you know that you do it right. It says on the back here, left hand. You do have to order these handed, whether it's for the left or for the right. But if you just line it all up and then slap it back in there, bang. Now you got a reflector. Oh, you know what? We did that whole thing. Dang it, we did the whole thing and forgot to even crack the beer. It was so easy. Anyway, happy Saturday. If it helped you out, check out the rest of the channel. We got a bunch of videos on the Bronco Sport, and we got some old Buick stuff, and we got GMC pickup truck. Got a few Mercedes videos from my neighbor's Mercedes. And, you know, it's usually kind of fun, kind of serious, kind of fun. We got a lot of stuff done. Thanks for watching.